So kindly pay attention to what's happening here in the verse. I'll read, I'll do the Anvaya. So Anvaya means putting all the words in sequence, right? Like in a prose form, sentence form. Uh, so you figure out subject, object, verbs, whatever you can. So Shri Rajo Vacha Katito Vansha Vistaro Bhavata Soma Suryayo Ragnyam Chobhaya Vangshanam Charitam Paramadbhutam. 1 second. So Parikshit Maharaj is saying to Shukadeva Goswami, Bhavata Soma Suryayah Soma Suryayoh Vansha Vistarah Kathitah. Which form is Bhavata? You should be able to tell this. Which form is Bhavata?
Bhavan,
No, I'm not asking the original word. Form like Bhavata.
Panchami.
You did Bhagavat Shabd, right? We did Bhagavat.
Yes.
So Bhagavata, Bhavata. What do you think?
The fourth
What fourth?
one.
But in 4.1, how can it be Bhavata? 4.1, the pratyay is nge. How can it end with a? Which pratyay ends with a or has a in the Swadis? Just say the pratyay su aujas.
Chaturthi.
Yeah,
Tritiya.
ta. Tritiya ekvachan. So Bhavata is 3.1.
3.1.
So what is the original word then?
Okay.
What is the original word?
Is
Bhavat.
it Bhavatu?
Bhavatu.
Yeah, you're right. Bhavatu or Bhavat, Bhavatu, but U is indicative letter. So Bhavat. So what will be the table of Bhavat? It's similar to like Bhagavat. You can try. Similar to Bhagavatu Shabd. Anyhow, so this is 3.1, which means by you. By you. So Bhavata, by you. So by you, Soma Suryayoho, Vansh Vistaraha Kathitaha. What do you think? Soma Suryayoho. Take a guess.
You were asking a meaning or?
I'm not asking meaning. I'm asking which vibhakti and which vachana.
Vivachan,
Then,
Shashti or
yeah,
Saptami.
vibhakti and
Suryayoho is, yes, Sasti 2. And
so this is 6.2,
yeah,
which means of sun and moon. Of moon and sun. Som is moon, Surya is sun. Okay. So by you of Soma and Surya. Then Vansha Vistaraha. Which vibhakti is this? Vansha Vistaraha.
Prathama.
Yeah, 1.1, like Krishna. Vansha Vistaraha, Vanshasya Vistaraha iti Vansha Vistara. The explanation, the elaboration of the lineage, the parampara. Kathitaha is which vibhakti again?
Prathama.
Prathama, same. So what do you think? Vansha Vistaraha is also Prathama 1.1, Kathita is also 1.1. So do they have any relation? Like, do you see some connection there? They are adjectives and noun. Adjective, noun. Visheshan, Visheshya. Vansha Vistarah Kathitah. So you have mentioned about the elaboration or the Vansha Vistara of Soma and Surya. So because both of them are one, Kathita is adjective of Vansha Vistara. Then
Uh,
then continuation.
Adjective is a qualification. So how Kathita qualifies Vamsa Vistara?
Yeah, so the elaboration or the topic which was uttered by you or the yeah, so this is like this is an it looks like a kriya, an action, kathitah, but here because it's a noun, we will actually see it in the fifth chapter, kridanta. So it's not a proper finite verb. This is a noun, kathitah 1.1, and it's like the uttered statement, you know. So yeah, it's an adjective. I think out of Sanskrit we have very little understanding or yeah, understanding of what adjective means. We generally take adjective to be something which tells some about some qualities of something. You know, we have very like limited um, scope. But in Sanskrit, adjective can mean a lot of things. For example, let's play a game here. Now, bhavata means by you. Now, I want you to add one adjective here. And because bhavata is in 3.1, the adjective should also be in 3.1. So by you, and I want to give some adjective for that person who has described basically Shukdev Goswami. So give some adjective in 3.1. Some maybe it can be a quality or something. Just think anything.
Sura.
What do you want to say? Sura is not Sura is what? What is the original word?
Sura means knowledgeable.
No. That the word is Suri. Suri. So it will be declined like Hari. So tell me the 3.1 then of Suri.
Like
Surina.
Hari.
Surina.
Suri- Surina.
Surina. So Bhavata Surina. By you who are intelligent. Give some other adjective. Can try anything. Let me say one. So Shukdev Goswami is a devotee of Krishna, devotee of Vishnu. So let's say Bhavata Vishnu Dasena. You know, just like very simple. Bhavata Vishnu Dasena. You by you who are devotee of Vishnu. Try something else. Okay, now try for Surya Yoho. Anything. This is 6.2. Try some adjective in 6.2 for Soma Surya Yoho.
Soma.
So, for example, I can think of one. Both of them they have a quality of illuminating. Both of them they give out prakash. They illuminate. So one I can think of is Soma Suryayoh Prakash Matoh. Prakash Matoh. You might be thinking, what is this Matoh? So it's basically so Prakash Mat. So this is the original word. Prakash Mat means one who possesses illumination. And Matoho is 6.2, like Bhagavatoho, ityadi. So, Soma Suryayo Prakashamato, of sun and moon, who are the illuminators, let's say, in simple words. So, in this way, in Sanskrit, it's a very broad topic about adjective uh, and the noun. Anyhow, let's move ahead. Then this was like one sentence, and in continuation, Parikshit Maharaj is saying, Ragyam Ubhaya Vangshanam cha Charitam. So Ubhaya Vangshanam Ragyam Paramadbhutam Charitam cha Kathitah. And we'll have to bring Bhavata again. Like Bhavata, by this is a passive sentence. This is not active sentence. This is passive voice. By you. So whenever you see meaning like this, like in third ending, third case, by you, we should understand it's a passive voice. So by you, Ubhaya Vangshanam Ragyam. So of both the Vansha, of both the lineages, both meanings of Som and Surya. Ragyam, of the kings, this is 6.3. We have done Rajan Shabda, right? We have done Rajan Shabda. Vama Satsanga Hinasya Anuramaharo. The gets deleted. And Tavargasya Chavargasya Chavarga Yoga is applied. So we get Ragyam in 6.3. You can solve that. So Ubhaya Vangshanam Ragyam Paramadbhutam Charitam Cha Katitaha. So of both the lineages, so of the kings of both the lineages, the Paramadbhuta characters are mentioned by you also. This cha indicates also or and. So yeah, Paramadbhutam is adjective for Charitam. What kind of Charita? Character Paramadbhuta. Wonderful. Most wonderful. So in this way, try to read, practice. Okay. So we'll stop here and we'll resume the next week with the further sutras and declensions. Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, about
Krishna.
word Rajan, the Saptami Bahuvachan is Rajasu. So is this the same as Rajasu Yagya, the Yagyas for kings?
No, that is different.
Oh.
That is different. Rajasuya. Rajasuya is uh, Rajasuya. That is Raja is different word there coming from Rajan, and Suya is a different word. That's a different word. It's not this Rajasu. Okay, Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, and one more
Thank
about
you.
Mahat and Bhagavat. What's the difference in their declension? Why we don't decline?
Mahan Mahanto Mahantah. Yeah, so in Mahat, we make the Uddhava Trivikrama when the Krishna sthanas are flowing. Like Mahan Mahanto Mahantah Mahantam Mahanto. And then 2.3 onwards, we don't do Trivikrama. It's like Mahatah Mahata Mahatvyam. In Bhagavaturu, only the first 1.1 takes, the Uddhava takes Trivikrama only in 1.1. And then there is no Trivikrama for Uddhava 1.2 onwards. That's why we have a different sutra, Atva Santodhavasya.
Yeah, but why this difference is made?
Okay. Because the desired forms are different. We don't want the Uddhava to be Trivikrama in 1.2, 1.3, 2.1, 2.2 of Bhagavatu. We don't want Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavantah. The desired forms are such Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavantah. So grammar, see, one thing also is there. The Shastras, the scriptures do not follow the grammar. It's opposite. The grammar is made following the scriptures. I think that also answers. Grammar is made following the scriptures, whatever is seen in the usage is seen in the scriptures. Okay, another class is there. We are actually beginning a
Yes,
new
sir.
batch, Harinamamrit batch. Yeah, we are beginning a new Harinamamrit batch today. So let's see how they will be. I don't think they will be like you, but still, let's see.
How many students, Prabhu?
I don't know. I mean, 4 5 they joined in the group. Let's see how many they come and join.
Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much.